Hmm. Okay. So the first thing you want to do when it comes to something like that, especially if you want to arrange, I don't need the concept. Because it's MCQ. You understand what I'm trying to say? All I need is for you to know what to do. When it comes to arranging, when you want to arrange it, of course you have to make sure that the denominator is made the what? Yeah, denote is same. Wait, give me a moment. Is either denote is same, right? Or what we say, numerator is same. Either or.
I would see which one is
Alright, do the opposite. Right?
smaller and
Absolutely. Absolutely. You want to make denominator the same, it's harder. But if you make numerator the same, you realize what happens? This becomes what? This becomes 5 over 25. You get where I'm coming from or no? Right? If this becomes 5 over 25, very obvious already, right? True? Right? Let's say imagine today I have 8 pieces of pizza. I say, hey, I give you 5. Will you be happy? Oh, you give me so much, you give me more than half, eh? True? Because half of it is for. True? Then when it comes to 5 over 25, what happens? I cut into 25 pieces. Already very small, then I give you 5 only. Then you will tell me that so little. Agree or disagree? 5 over 7? Smaller or bigger? I have 7 pieces, I give you 5 eh. Bigger, right? So this in fact is what I call my biggest one. Am I making sense or not making sense? Right, this is my biggest. You want to make sure that you write that down first. Yes, tell me. So it's the opposite. It's the opposite. It's the opposite. You make the bigger, correct. The bigger the fraction. You understand? Just remember it is the opposite if you are going to do, or if you're going to if the numerators are the same. If denominators are the same, very simple, right? Then one just go, 1 means the smallest, right? 10 means the biggest, right? So numerator is the opposite. 1 means the biggest, 10 means the smallest. You understand what I'm trying to say? In this situation, you already know already, Muskan. If which one is the biggest? So you have to eliminate, right? 2 and 3 cannot be the answer. Am I making sense? Because 2 and 3, the starting is already wrong. Agree or not? Then after that, you don't care about the middle first. You understand? Look at the end, okay? We are left with this and this. I want you to tell me which one is the smallest out of these numbers. This one you're already done. You just will take. Is that okay? All right. So which one is the smallest? 105 is the smallest. Are you sure 105 is the smallest? You're sure, right? Then therefore answer is number 1 lah. Get where I'm coming from now, okay? And that's how you would do a question like that. New bicycle is what? 104. True or not? Then after that, we go by the next one, which is what we say? Camera. You see, did they say 3 over 8 of the remainder? They didn't say. They say 3 over 8 of it. So 3 over 8 over here, true? So actually over here, there is a part whole relationship going on. Yeah, so what do you have to do? What do you have to do from here? Very good. Okay, so we are going to make sure that the denominator is the same. You all agree or disagree? Okay, so from here itself, you can see, right? I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So what I'm gonna do is, of course, I'm going to shade 2 units over here. This is for what? New bicycle, right? Okay. Then after that, I'm gonna shade how many units? 3 units over here. This is for what? Camera. So you see, from here itself, I already know, right? Then sentence number 3 says what? 1/3 of the remainder. You see? You are very lucky. The word remainder tells me that it's RR, but I'm just still curious what type is it, right? Over here, yeah, because you don't need to drop down, you don't need to drop down. Even if you split, it's called type A. You understand? As long as you don't need to drop down.
And it doesn't accept the
Yeah.
the whole number.
Correct. So yeah, right. So then this is for what? This is for what? One back and what? One back and yeah. So I know MCQ, you all think MCQ don't need processors. That is absolutely wrong. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna, okay, can see the cost of the watch was $110 and the back cost. So the watch was how much? 110, right? What about the bag? The bag was $80. 110 plus $80 in this situation is $190, right? So can you all see that $190 and $110 is in this one box, which is 1 unit, right? 1 unit in this situation is like what you said, 190. Sorry, 190 plus 110 is equals to 286. Now, when I see 1 point each, 1 point each, 1 point each. Wow, very focused. I thought you all got it correct already, then don't care about me already. You all still very focused. Then from here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna find 28 units. Agree or disagree? Okay, I let you all just write the 1 unit equals to 300 first. I don't want to fool you all. Come. I say 1 point. The 27 later.
So I
Okay.
just draw 1 point for now.
Okay, all right.
Because I get to play.
Yeah, later. Don't worry about that. Just write 1 point first. Do it behind. Can? So you don't have to click flipping. Because you flip now I can see the. Okay, I come back to later. Don't think about the old points. Can just focus on the current one first. Can? Later I will add for you. Okay. All right. Now the question say how much was the bicycle? Now tell me bicycle is from where to where? Bicycle. Tell me where to stop. My goodness. Huh? You don't know?
To you.
To you because it's from here all the way to here. True? Very good. So in this situation, I write 3 units. All right, it's equals to 900. Okay, 1 point for you. 1 point for you. Very good. You are very, very attentive. I need that. Okay. All right. From here itself, you get $600. You go to the option. You have that is the reason why your answer for this question is option number 1. And this is how you do a question like this one. The moment you see the word percentage, you must tell me what is the concept. Whoever can tell me 7 points. You can check your concept check. There's no issue.
It's
Say.
percentage PCC.
Very good. So in the future, I will tell you if you need to refer to your concept checklist, in April, mid-April, if you need to refer to your concept checklist, you need 5 points in order for you to refer. Is that okay? By then you should already have it in your mind. Yes, what? 7 points for you. Thank you very much. Okay. All right, now. So I know this is called PPPBCC. Maybe I just give you another chance. Can PPPBCC means what? Cannot refer.
Typically bought cookies and cream.
1 point for you. Cannot refer and tell me exactly the first P is what? Cannot refer, tell me the first P. It's the same concept that we have in Burp for me right now. The concept that we just PWRS, very good. Can you all write down PWRS first? Thank you very much. Okay. All right. So make sure you know the concepts by heart. Okay. Not like, oh, I need to refer because in exam can you refer?
No.
You can't. Okay. So fortunately and unfortunately we have to look at the next one after P. The next P. 1 point for PWRS. Anyone can remember? I give you 7 seconds to remember. If not, I minus 1 point from both of you. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whole relationship already say. Okay, both of you minus 1 point, I'll tell you. Okay, you all know, right? Obviously, you all need to know, right? This is called PDGSTI. Okay, it doesn't matter which one is which P comes first. You understand? Okay, all right. So you can say PDGSTI first, then PWRS. It doesn't matter to me. You understand? As long as you know the 3P. Okay, I do have one more in this situation, of course. This next P, anyone tell me. Anyone can tell me. Okay, you have 7 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Percentage increase, decrease. Okay, along the way, I'll keep testing. You better write this down. Okay, sometimes I might allow you to refer, sometimes I might not. I hope the B, you all know what is it. Okay, both of you get 1 point. Both of you get 1 point. Okay, I do hope that the C, you know what is it. You all got minus. What? Constant part. Very good. Constant part. Constant difference is wrong. This one sounds like thank you. Sounds like thank you. I always okay. Chem Q. All right. Chem Q. Can you all please write this down? Okay, minus 3 points. Minus 2 points. Sorry. I'll add for you. Can you all quickly just write this down first? Okay.
Minus 2 point.
Yeah, you minus 2 because you 2 concept you don't know. You minus 3 because 3 concept you don't know. Then you add 1 point because you just minus 2 basically instead of minusing 3. Okay. All right. Can I come back to this? I give you all 5 seconds to quickly write this down nicely. Okay. Let's do a recap. Pen. Okay. I will zoom out first. I'll zoom far away. Ready? Shall we think of the concept together? You all ready for that or not? Not ready. Okay. Ready? Percentage. Concept. 1, 2, 3, go. PPPCC, right? Triple P bought cookies and cream. Not Nutella. Nutella is for ratio. Understand? Triple P bought cookies and cream. Triple C got
Triple P bought
cookies and cream. Triple B bought cookies and cream. Triple A got Triple P got but. Triple P sit on toilet bowl. Triple P bought bread. Triple P bought taro pie. Triple P bought pancake.
Triple
P bought cookies and cream. Okay, Triple P bought cookies and cream. Triple P bought cookies and cream. The first P is PWRS, then followed by PDGSTI. You know what's PDGSTI or not? Percentage, discount, GST, interest, interim, interim. Who is interim? Next one, the next P is called percentage increase, decrease. Understand or not? Then DNA, then constant part, then camera, whatever. Okay. Now, when I look at this question, the first question I have to ask myself is, what did the question say? In July. So we're gonna write down July first. Okay. We still don't know what concept is it. True. We just know that the topic is percentage, right? This person sold how many? 1,000 muffins, right? But actually, this is pretty obvious a PID concept. You know why? Because of the word increase. You understand? So arrow to increase, you put PID. Okay, if this is something that you can understand, say yes. Very good. Okay, so this is called a PID. You understand or don't understand? Okay, so if you know that this is a CID, right? What are you gonna do? Of course, yeah. Both of you got tricked, huh? Both of you got tricked, huh? Think first, people. Okay. Now, then what happens is that he is comparing to what we call June. Guys, I need you all to move a little faster. Is that okay or not? All right. He was comparing to where? He was comparing to where? He says what? He says what? That this was 200 more muffins than what she sold in June. Who can tell me how much is in June? Yes, tell me. Very good. All right. Because 1,000 minus away 200 is equals to 800 muffins. Is this something that you all can understand? Okay. Every time they ask for increase, there is a formula that we use. It's something over original. Increase, or we call it change over original. Okay, change over original. The reason why you times 100 is because the question asks for percentage. Anything that asks for percentage, you must times 100. Is this something that you can understand? If you can understand this, sing A, B, C, D. Very good. Okay, enough. You just finish up the song only. Okay, the change in this situation, who can tell me what's the change? Yes, tell me. 200 is the change. Very good. If 200 is the change, what is the OG? Wrong. Original is always the oldest one. The earliest one. 800 times 100. Do you agree or disagree? If you agree with me, say yes.
Yes.
Understand or don't understand? All right. Zero, 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 zero cancel out. Agree or disagree? Can you understand? Right? 2, 0. Why?
Because
Right? Then 2 becomes 1. This becomes 4. True? So this becomes what? Numerator, 4 and 100 can cancel, right? This becomes 1. This becomes what? 25. So that's the reason why your answer for this question has to be 25%. Okay, so when I look at a question like that, I know that this is 100% number X value, right? I tell you very obvious one because the value means how much, right? Okay, this is the number of items. Okay, so we know for Hackett in this situation is 1 unit, 1/4 of the items she bought. So that means to say, for ribbon in this situation has to be 3 units. Okay, so we call this our how many. That means how many items, right? Of course, we still don't know, right? Because City will not go to the auntie and say, Auntie, can I have 1 unit of Hackett? You're gonna get a one type slap. Why? Because nobody communicates in unit. Unit means group. I want 1 group of Hackett. What do you mean by 1 group? Agree? So our job is to go and find the number of Hacketts, the actual number, the real number. Okay. So then in this situation, next thing I'm going to do is ask myself, what's by how much? How much does the Hackett cost? 1 Hackett, we know 1 Hackett, we know it's actually $4, right? If it's 1 ribbon in this situation is $2, right? So if there's a number and a value, definitely we go straight into doing what we call a number X value, right? A number over here, value over here, total value. Does that make sense to you? All right, then we are going to make sure that we have how many items over here in total? We will have hair clip over here and a ribbon, right? How many ribbon how many hair clip do you buy? You don't know, you just know 1 unit. Then ribbon is 3 unit, true? The value in this situation is $4. Value in this situation is $2. You multiply them. Okay, sorry, is it $3? No, it's $4 and $2, right?
yes.
Okay, all right. So then this is okay. You can see this is $10 unit in total, right? So that means the total value when you add them up together, it gets you to this amount of $60. This $60 is what I call my total value, right? For those of you who do not understand this, remember, let's imagine today, Teacher Joseph were to say, look at this, hair clip I got 10, ribbon I got 30. All of you know how to do it, right? 10 times this is the total. True, you all tell me $40, right? Now all I do, right? All I'm doing is just to change the 110 and 30 to become 1 unit and 3 unit. That's all. You still multiply. You still go and multiply. Understand or don't understand? Right? So that you are able to form an equation. $10 unit is actually equals to what? $60, right? 1 unit is equals to $60 You see, you have to write properly. Yes, divided by $10, right? When you do dollar and dollar ten, why is it so important to know to write the unit so that you know what you're canceling? Agree or disagree? And then you get to six. Six what? In this situation, it's six what? What are these called? Hairband and ribbon. We just call these items. Is that okay? All right. How many hair clips and ribbons did she buy all together? So we are talking about this and this. True. We know that she bought 6 hair clips. Yay! I finally know the real number of hair clips that she bought. True or not? Right? This one is just 18. Why 18? Because 3 unit is going to be 6 times 3, which is equals to 18 ribbon. Exactly right. 18 plus 6 in this situation, that gets me to an answer of 24. Agree or disagree? So that is the reason why your answer for this question has to be 24. Okay. Again, when I see ratio, I immediately go CCC. All right, triple C board. Nutella. Agree or disagree? All right, then after that, more importantly, we have to make sure that we know the moment it's about age, right? Definitely it's always about constant what? Constant difference. You get what I'm trying to say? Okay, it's always about constant difference. So over here, we already found out that Giselle is 45 years older than Zane. Giselle will always be, no matter how many years later, Giselle will always be 45 years older than Zane. Am I making sense? So J is to Z, 6 is to 1. In this situation, difference is 5. Make sense? All right. So from here,
Same.
make who the same?
The difference.
Yeah, they say in how many years' time will Giselle be Giselle's age to Zane's age before is to 1. So 4 is to 1. In this situation is 3. True or not? How can my difference be different? Right. How can my difference be different? My difference have to be the same because this idea is called constant part. Am I making sense? 1 point each.
Wait, teacher. Both of them are
Both of them are the same, so we are okay, alright? So
no,
yeah.
it's not the same.
Then
Like we should make them the same.
we should make them the same. Very good. The difference must be the same. That's our angle. That's we are what? We are where we are not in the right place. You understand or not? You know why or not?
J and Z.
Wait, do you all know why? Why is it that the difference is not the same?
Because it's like two different numbers.
No, because the teacher who created this question has already simplified the ratio for you.
Teacher, can I just write down the answer?
You get where I'm coming from? All right. So what we're going to do is we are going to times 5 times 5, right?
Wait, times 9.
Ah. Okay, times 5 times 5.
3.
Very good. 1 point each. Did somebody just times 9?
Plus 45 years old and then I thought it was...
Huh? No. Why would you
the
want...
difference is like 45 years old.
I know.
So why can't I just...
Why would you want to times 45? It's too big. Agree or disagree? All right. You want my difference to be the same. Agree or disagree? All right. You don't go in times 9. I think it's too huge already, okay? Is that okay? Shashang.
Okay.
Shashang, you sure you understand?
Yes.
All right, this is 15. True? All right. One thing I can do is I can form an equation already. Agree or disagree? Right, Muska, I might want you to come back to this for a minute. All right. From here itself, Shashang, please tell me what is the equation that should come to my mind first? What should be the equation that should come to my mind? Shashang. No points on this one, but I need to say. What should be the equation that should come to my mind first?
When 20 minus 5.
Oh, what did you say about difference?
The difference is constant.
The difference is constant. So what is this 15? What is this 15? What is this 15?
The 15
This 15 is what?
is 15U.
15U equals to what?
45.
15 units is equals to 45. What's the next step, Shashang? 1U equals to what?
1 is equals to 3.
What shall I do right now? Let's read the question. So this is where she got stuck. True? She got a bit confused as to what am I supposed to do. Now I ask you a very simple question. All of these is like in a B&A table, right?
6 years.
In the B&A table, watch, you're writing 18 unit over here, 3 unit over here. Do you want it to be that way? No, you want the real value, what? You want, right? Over here, 18 unit is not 18 years old, you know? 18 unit is what? 18 unit. I want the real amount. Agree or not? Or disagree? Right? So So what am I supposed to do? The question say how many years will the ratio in how many years? So you see from here to here, from where to where? Why is there a jump? Yeah, 2 years or 2 years or 2 unit. Why? Because from 18 to 20 is how many unit? 2 unit. Agree or disagree? So it's just 3 times 2. Therefore, it's 6 years difference. Does it make sense to you? If you want to go and find the age before, also can. Guys, I ask you a very simple question. I ask you one more time, okay? I ask you one more time, okay? Can I ask you just one more time? Do you think this 18 and this 3 is the age?
No,
No. I say this again. It is not the age.
it's just
It's the
because
unit. So your job is to go and find actual age. So that's the reason why I say 6 years. Sure. Can I also use the other person's Zane from 3 to 5 unit? Yes. Also 2 unit increase, right? Still 6 years old. Not 6 years old. I meant 6 years. Okay? Do you understand? Do you understand or don't understand? Does it make sense to you? All right. So that's the reason why your answer in this situation, as you can see, is 6 years. So when I look at a question like that, I immediately know that this is called burp for me right now. When we say burp for me right now, dude, it basically means what? This is a fraction question. And which one are we looking at? We are fixing our eyes on P. Sorry, not P. B. Why is it B? Because B stands for BNA. There is so many changes, so many things going on, right? Under BNA, there are 3 types. Up in the sky, rainbow, working backwards, BNA, right? So this is what? This is what? Is it up in the sky? Is it UP? Is it up? Is it BNA up or is it BNA rainbow or is it BNA working backwards? How do you know if it's BNA rainbow? Look at the keyword over here. This is a BNA rainbow situation. What rainbow means what? You must see more or less. Agree or disagree? So you got to draw your table. All right, you have blue over here. You have red over here. We know that for blue, as you can see over here, it's what? 1 unit plus 19. Agree or disagree? All right, then for red it's 1 unit. Then I'll change over here. We see that what? Sentence number 2, what? Minus 37 for blue. Then after that, minus 42 for red. Agree or disagree? What happens to my after? You see, they have now done a regrouping, right? Now they say the number of red marbles there was 3. 3, right? So 3 goes to 3 over 5, right? So 3 goes to red marbles, 5 goes to 2. So red is what? Red is what?
3/5, which is 3P.
Very good. So we put 3p. Agree or disagree? Now, some of us prefer if we were to do it naturally first. 19 minus away 37. You understand? All right. Yes, I know what you guys are going to say. This is 5p, right? True? Okay. Then this is 1 unit minus away 42, which is equals to how many p? 3p. Agree or disagree? So your job is to now form an equation. This is the best equation you can form. True? And also, which one? This is also another equation that you can form. Am I making sense? All right. So all of these things must be written down. Thank you. You follow me on this, okay? What's the equation that you have formed? 1 unit plus 19 minus 37 is equals to, okay, very good. 1u minus 18 equals to 5p, right? Then you have the other one, which is 1u minus 42 equals to 3p. So what do you have to do to the p? Or the units? Which one do you want to do? Huh? Yeah, what do you do to p?
5P minus 3P equals
No, you always make the parts
same.
you remove the units, is it? You should make parts
Same.
same. You understand or not understand? Have you made parts the same? Mm. Okay. So then this becomes 3 units minus 54 is equals to 15p. 5u minus 210 is equals to 15p. Is this something that you can understand or no? Parts and parts are the same, right? True? When parts and parts are the same, what do you have to do?
Cancel.
So 5 units minus 210 equals to 15p. True? Then the other one is what?
3 units.
3 units. So this is equals to 3 units minus away.
55. Same family.
Sit together. You understand?
Okay.
Does that make sense to you? You gotta bring the 3 units over. Agree or disagree? You minus 3 units, right?
Equals
Minus, oh no, always write down minus 54 first. Because you never move minus 54, right? True?
Yeah.
So you are going to move the 210 over. True? Plus 210. Make sense? This becomes 2 unit equals to minus 54 plus 210. Is this something that you can understand?
Yeah.
It's equals to 156. 1 unit equals to 78. Do you get it? Read the question for me once you're done.
How many blue marbles then red marbles were there left?
Left. So where should I look at? Shall we go and find?
After.
The after, very good. So tell me how many blue do I have? How many red do I have? Because they want more, right? Then they are basically asking us for the difference. Does it make sense to you or not? Agree or disagree? All right. Can you help me with that first? Okay, where are we right now? You got your first one already? Your blue? What is the blue in the end? What's your blue in the end?
Wait, the answer is 24.
You mean the answer, is it?
Yeah.
The final answer? Okay, answer is 24, correct. Okay, very good. So you just have to find what is blue. Tell me what is blue first.
Blue is
78, very good. Minus plus 19 minus 37, right? It's equals to 60, right? True? Correct. So 78 minus also can, minus 18 also can, minus 42, right? True. 78 minus 42 in this situation, you get to how much? 36. Agree or disagree? Okay, then you just have to minus them. Agree or disagree? 60 minus 36 equals to 25. Agree or you disagree? Okay, of course, finally, once I'm done with this, I'm gonna move on to the next one, right? Why, what's going on?
I don't understand. Isn't at the start the red was one move? Wasn't it?
So what's your answer? So what are you talking about? Are you talking about A or B?
B.
Okay, so how many red marbles did Joanne have at first? So where should I fix my eyes on? I should fix my eyes here. True? So 1 unit equals to how much?
70.
Yeah, that's the answer. Alright, so that's your answer for B. Does it make sense to you? Alright, and that's how you would do a question like this. Now, when I look at this, what concept do I think of? Alright, very good. So we say what? Very good. But for me, right now, to agree or disagree, it's very obvious that it's RR. Under RR, how many types are there?
4.
Very good. So what are the 4 different types? So we say RR, very good. We say type A. Are you listening to me?
Wait, I didn't finish talking down.
Mrs. Tan had a sum of
Uh,
only, right? Nothing to do, right? She spent. Sentence number 2, she spent.
some.
Now, this sum of it, right, is very, 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 very tricky. A lot of students don't understand what is sum. Sum means what? It's like I say $10 is also called sum, right? $15 is also sum. True. So this is actually type C. Why? Because I don't know how much at first.
Sum is like a whole number.
Yeah, sum is a whole number, ma. This must be a whole number, ma, right? We treat sum as a whole number in this situation. Is that okay? So this is definitely type C. Agree or disagree? This is 100% type C. True? This is three skirt. You all must write three skirt first.
Three.
Three skirt, right? Got t-shirt, man. T-shirt, right? T-shirt, don't write shirt. If not, you'll get confused. Can?
There is also third. Later on in the day.
Yeah, later on in the question you will read. Just follow me first. Shashank, read the next one. 1/4.
1/4 of the remaining model on the 5 identical skirts.
So 1/4 means
It's 5
you only shade one unit. On 5 identical what? T-shirts. So 5 TS. Make sense? What is he left with? Whatever that is over here is basically what?
1/3.
This is what?
1/3.
Left. And we say this is 1/3. And type C, I always ask myself, how many units are there?
3.
Agree or disagree?
So then if this is 1/3, that means like from the 3 skirts to the 5 t-shirts is 2/3.
Yeah.
That means
So-
it's 6 units.
Okay. For those of you who are still writing, I'm just going to wait for a minute.
Okay. So
So this 2/3 is what?
2/3 is 6 units because
Correct.
3 is to 1/3. So then if you times 2 to 1/3, then
Yeah.
2/3.
So you see, you think about it. 1/3 is 3 units, right? So if 1/3 is 3 units, this 1/3 you all must know is 1 part. What they're trying to say is 1 part is 3 units. Understand?
1 part equals to 3.
2/3 is 6 units. Sure, how do you know 1/3 is
Because there's 3 units. Because there's 3 units at that.
no? So 1/3 is what? 1 part. 1/3 means what? 1p. Understand? Alright, so 1p equals to 3 units. That's it. Can you understand? 2/3, 6 units.
So 2 parts.
So because the 1/3, you see, the moment they give you a new fraction, right? That means they are regrouping. True? True. After that, she was left with 1/3 of her money. So the 1/3 is 1 part. Does it make sense to you?
So then it's the 2/3 is also 2 parts.
Okay, slowly one by one first. You see, I asked you a very simple question. 5 t-shirt is how many units?
5 t-shirts, it's 1 unit.
Yeah, 1 U, right? Correct. This is how many units? 5 U, right? This is 1 U. True, let me talk first, can? Agree or disagree? 3 skirt is 5 U. A 5 t-shirt, 1 U. Is that okay? But nothing much for you to do. Usually what happens is we will get
You'll get the
an amount over here, right? Then we can say 1 U is say $50. Then we know how to do, right? Never mind, it's okay. Let's move on to the next one. What did the question say?
skirt costs $55 more than 1 t-shirt.
You see, every time you see more than, right? You know that this is called
Comparison.
true. It's a concept under whole numbers. True.
But then that's before.
So you want to draw skirt and t-shirt. What do you mean by before? That is not before. A P4. I thought before scare me. One skirt is how much?
Skirt is 1 t-shirt plus $55.
$5.
1 U plus
True.
$55.
True.
Yes.
How many t-shirt do I have? And how many skirt do I have?
3 skirts and 5 t-shirts.
You have how many?
3
Oh, shall we?
skirts, 5.
Shall we solve the question already?
What is a fraction of how
Money, you see? Is this a 5? Very good. Very good. 3 skirt, right? It's 5 unit, right? Of her money, how 5 unit, right? True? So remember, what over off? This is did over off.
Did of
I know we always learn is R was what, right? Now we add in a did over off. Did she spend, right? So of her money means money is the denominator, right? Correct now. Sorry, I digress a bit because digress means I solve A first, can? Because I can solve A anyways. You understand, Shashank?
so
What is did?
I did 3 skirts.
3 skirt?
3 skirts.
3 skirt is how many units?
So 3 skirts is 5 units.
How many units do I have in total?
In total you have 6. Wait, sorry, 9 units.
Yeah, so that's the reason why your first answer is in this situation is 5 and 9. Understand? Okay, we are going to solve the second part of the question. Is that okay? All right. Yeah, so how much money did she have at first? You must slowly go and find out. True. Now I only drew this, right? Look at this. One skirt, one t-shirt. True. You already have it over here, right? Okay. If you want to, yeah.
I just
So what can you do in order for you to solve? Yeah, tell me.
you can like draw trees
Very good. Can draw three skirt, huh?
and five.
Correct. You can draw three skirt. How do you draw three skirt? It's going to look something like that. Can you all see? This is how many skirt already? Can you all look at this first? How many skirt already?
Two. This is two.
Where are you now? Are you on the same part
Yeah.
as me? How many skirt do you need to draw? Three, what?
Three.
True. So 55 again. True. Mean t-shirt.
T-shirt. Okay, five.
Yeah. How many units are you supposed to draw for t-shirt? True.
Yeah.
This entire thing is how many units? Do you all know?
This entire thing is 6 units. Okay. No.
Right? Why? Because in this situation, I have how many t-shirt? I have how many t-shirt? 5 t-shirt, right? Correct or not? Then
Uh.
I have 5 t-shirt, right now.
Oh.
True. I have 3 skirt, right? Correct or not? I already know this is how many units? 5 units, right? True. True or not? I know this is
T-shirts is 5 units.
really?
No. Sorry.
No.
Sorry. This is 5 units.
Mm.
Wait,
Does that make sense? Then this one is 1 unit. Understand?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So we will call all of this.
Parts.
Yeah, this you can call it parts. You can call it x also can. 1x, 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 1x. All of these are the same, right? Agree, disagree? All right. Can you form an equation? How many x equals to 1 unit?
Wait.
Yes. Ask.
A. Wait, I think I
Slowly
know
one by
X
one,
equals 1.
Okay, very good. 5x equals to 1 unit. That's the first equation that you have formed. You need how many equation? The second one is going to be? You need two equation, huh? So,
X uh plus 165.
Very good. 165 because you do 55 times how many times? 3 times equals to how many units?
5 units.
5 units. Are you going to make x the same or units the same? You see, it's easier to make who the same. Units the same. It's way easier to make units the same. True?
So you just
You
have
just
5
times 5 here. Yeah, exactly. Agree or disagree?
So 25
So you draw a line again.
plus 25.
Always, guys, it's always about that, right? 3x plus 165 is equals to 5 units. Correct enough. Why are we going what 7x? Where did I get 7x?
Uh,
Why did I get my 7x? You no, I know, but you're not following. You see, you get what I'm trying to say now. You gotta go jump. Why do you get 7x? I don't want the answer first. Can you form our equation first?
uh,
Then I can see from here units and units, 5 units and 5 units, they are the same. Got it? Tell me what is the equation I can form when you see both is equals to 5 units.
so 25x minus 2.
Stop telling me the minusing. I say I want to have my equation first. How many times you want me to say that? I need to have my equation first, right? Both of these are equals to 5 units, right? You tell me 25x is equals to 3x plus 165. Do not tell me the minusing first. The minusing is not needed. Is that okay or not? Don't tell me the minusing first. Is that okay? 25x. Are you understanding what I'm saying?
Yes.
Why are you minusing it? You don't go and minus it first. Understand? We don't need to care about the minusing, can? We only need to care about forming an equation. Then now what do I do? What do I do? I bring this over, right? I minus 3x, right? Equals to 165, right? 22x is equals to 165, right?
Yeah.
1x? You sure? Are you certain about this?
The 20x equals 165.
The 165 divided by 22. Does it make sense to you? What's wrong with 7.5? 7.5 is okay. If it's 7.543821, it's not okay. Understand? Because 0.5 is just 7.5. Can you solve the question now? Ask yourself, what is the question asking us to find? At first, very good. Come back.
So 5, 6, 8x plus so 165. So 5x equals 7.5 times.
You want to find 5x first, is it?
Yeah, so I can
Okay.
like 68.
7.5 times 5 first, right? Agree or disagree? You get to an answer of 37.5. Agree or disagree? It's okay. For now, it's still okay. Agree or not? Right? You still need how many x? 3x, right? Okay, I want you all to slowly make your way up all the way until you find the total. The total is everything over here, which is how many unit?
6u.
No, 9u. Don't forget, 6u is only what she spent, right? Still got 3 units of what is she left with. Agree or disagree? Okay, slowly go and find.
One u equals 37.
Now over here, what happens is that we can see 1u equals to 37.5. We are trying to find 9 units. For those of you who are watching, why? Because the question say at first, right? At first is from where to where? At first is basically everything here and here, which is 9 units. Agree or disagree? Okay, guys, can?
The answer is 33.
Yes, 337.5. Remember, this is about money, right? Can you have
0.
another zero? Very good. So therefore, your answer in this situation, don't be afraid. Because it's money, then definitely we can actually have what?